Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have square root of x plus y is equal to 7 and x plus square root of y is equal to 11, and we will solve for integer solution, or I can just say that here our x and y are some positive integer or some any integer. Okay, the very first thing we are going to do is, first I will take this as equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2, so that we will subtract the equation number 1 by equation number 2, so that this expression will becomes square root of x plus y minus x minus square root of y is equals to 7 minus 11. So after that we will rearrange the terms, and I will write it as square root of x minus square root of y and plus y minus x is equals to minus 4. After that I will rearrange the terms, and I can write it as square root of x minus square root of y and plus here I can take common of minus, and we will write it as minus times of x minus y is equals to minus 4. After that I will just rewrite x minus y as square root of x and its whole square minus square root of y and its whole square is equals to minus 4. After applying this step, I will use here the square identity, and you know about if we have a square minus b square, so it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So that we will apply here this identity in this term only. So after applying this identity we will get x square root minus y square root minus square root of x minus square root of y and square root of x plus square root of y is equals to minus 4. After that we take common here square root of x minus square root of y, and we will get 1 minus, here you multiply this minus on these both terms, so we will get here square root of x minus square root of y is equals to minus 4. After that we will multiply both sides by minus 1, and because here these two factors are multiplied, so I can just multiply the minus sign on this term only, and we will write it as square root of x minus square root of y times of square root. Here when we multiply these terms by minus sign, so the sign of all the terms are changed, so here we get square root of x plus square root of y minus 1 is equals to plus 4. So after that in the right hand side we have the term 4, and we will get the 4 by 3 ways, which is if we will multiply 2 raised 2 by 2 is equals to 4, and 1 by 4 is equals to 4, and 4 by 1 is equals to 4. We have 3 cases to get 4, so that I will just equate these 3 factors is equals to 4, so that here I can get 2 cases. The first case is we will get square root of x minus square root of y is equals to, here I can break this is the case 1 and this is the case 2. First I will take the first factor is equal to 2 1 4 and the second factor is equals to 2 4 1, in this way 2 1 4, and our other factor is square root of x plus square root of y minus 1 is equal to 2 4 and 1. Because here we have these 3 cases, I can just solve these 3 cases in one step. So after that, here we have the three cases, but I can solve these three cases in one step. So here we have these new two equations. So now I can just add these two equations, and after adding these two equations I will get here, because when adding these minus and negative and positive terms are cancelled out, and when we can add these two equations, so here we get 2 times of square root of x minus 1 is equals to, here we have 2 plus 2 4, and 1 plus 4 5, and 4 plus 1 is 5, because here we add these two equations. So that after adding these, we can move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2 times of square root of x is equals to this minus 1 become add all these terms, and we will get here 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, and 5 plus 1 6. After that, we move this 2 to the right hand side. Here this 2 is multiplied by square root of x, and when we can take in the right hand side, it is divided by each term, so that it will become square root of x is equals to 5 over 2 into 6 over 2 into 6 over 2. And after that, uh, we have the three values of square root of x. One is 5 over 2, and 3 and 3. So here you can focus that in the start of the question we need only the integer solution, and here it is the decimal part, so that we will just rejected this solution and we proceed only these two one, and this is the same solution, so that we can take square root of x is equals to 3. In order to find the value of x, we will take the square on both of the sides, so that here we get x is equals to, after taking the square on both sides, we will get x is equals to 9. And now we can put the value of x is equal to 9 in the equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1, square root of x plus y is equal to 7. So now we can substitute the value of x in equation number 1. So equation number 1 will become square root of 9 plus y is equals to 7. So now we can this equation implies that here you have the square root of 9 is 3, and 3 plus y is equals to 7, and this implies that we move this 3 to the right hand side, and it will becomes y is equals to 7 minus 3, and y is equals to 7 minus 3. Finally we will get here y is equals to 4, because here 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So finally we get the value of y is 4, and here we have the required solution is x equals to 9 and y is equal to 4. So this is our final integer solution, and this is our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.